Human-lion conflict refers to the pattern of problematic interaction between the native people and the lion. Conflict with the humans is the major contributor of declining lions population in India. Habitat loss and fragmentation due to the conversion of land for the agriculture has forced lions to live closer to the human settlements. Lions are the largest carnivore rally on large connected area. The conversion of their habitat into the agriculture land prevent them from dispersing. Lions are one of the most dangerous animals on the planet. They are particularly aggressive and dangerous to the humans when they protecting their cubs' territory and the prey that they have hunted. Lions are responsible for the 200 people's death per year, which put them in the list of top 10 most deadliest wild animals. Lions don't interact with humans daily in wild and won't always hunt humans when they see them. But there have been many cases where the lion killed humans in wild, especially they were hungry. Also, if the lion felt threatened. Subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to never miss an update from us.